Global warming is a threat to our social and economic life. Global warming is the rise in Earth's atmospheric temperature caused by trapping of the sun's heat in the atmosphere by greenhouse gases such as methane and carbon dioxide. Climate change is the result of global warming.
Unlike many people think, global warming has definitely been accelerated by man's activities and is a major threat to life on this planet. The parts per million of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere have gone up from 315 parts per million in 1958 to 375 parts per million in 2004, and is due to keep rising at an exponential rate. While Arctic ice has reduced almost 27% in area since 1978, leading to higher sea levels, and the global average temperature has also risen. And scientists say that 2 degrees Celsius or even more rise isn't out of the question in this century.
That doesn't sound like much.
Well, to put that in perspective, Earth's average temperature has only risen about roughly 1 degree Celsius since the last ice age.
Whoa!
Recap.
Now we will talk about what you and every other person on Earth can and should do to stop pollution and greenhouse emissions. As a citizen of your country, you can pressure your leaders to set aside their differences and come to an international agreement limiting emissions, and you can support all potential laws that limit such emissions.
You personally can help limit emissions by using less fuel in your car or other vehicles and devices, as well as learning a bit about global warming and its effects. Global warming, and by extension climate change, are a major threat to the world, as Arctic ice shrinks and sea levels rise. But world leaders can halt the exponential rising by coming together and agreeing to limit worldwide emissions.